Hello everyone, welcome to today's session of CL's way of increasing your SSC score by more than 20 marks. The first two questions that we will take today are of syllogism. In these questions, certain statements are given and certain conclusions or inferences are given. On the basis of these statements, we have to identify which of the conclusions follow and then accordingly select the correct answer. Statement 1 says, some students are intelligent. This means that there are two sets. One is of students and one is of intelligent. Another way of showing this statement is, students is a superset and intelligent is a subset. In this case also, some students are intelligent. Statement 2 is, Ankita is a student. Now Ankita could either be here or she could be here. Similarly, in the second case, she could either be here or she could be here. Now let us look at the conclusions. Conclusion 1 is, some students are dull. Now dull is a new set. It has not been introduced by the statements. So conclusion 1 cannot be commented on and we cannot say that conclusion 1 follows. Conclusion 2, Ankita is intelligent. If Ankita is part of only the students and not a part of the intelligence set, Ankita is not intelligent. But if she is part of that intersecting set where students and intelligent intersect, if she is part of that area, then Ankita is intelligent. For a conclusion to follow, the conclusion has to hold true in any of the given cases, that is in all of the given cases. It cannot be false in even a single case. Here in this scenario, if Ankita is part of students and not part of intelligent, then Ankita is not intelligent. If Ankita is part of the intelligence set which is inside the student set, then Ankita is intelligent. So here in this case also, there are two scenarios where Ankita is intelligent and the second one where Ankita is not intelligent. So conclusion 2 cannot follow because it does not hold true in both the cases. It is true in only one case. So the answer to this question is option D, that is none follows. In the second question, the statement says all the watches sold in that shop are of white metal. Watches sold in that shop made of white metal. Statement 2, some of Ricoh watches are sold in that shop. Ricoh watches. Some of Ricoh watches are sold in that shop. These Ricoh watches are sold in this shop in which all the watches are made of white metal. Let us look at the inferences. All watches of white metal are manufactured by Ricoh. Now there is no set which talks of all watches of white metals, so we cannot comment on inference 1. Statement 2, some of Ricoh watches are of white metal. This is the set of Ricoh watches which are made of white metal. This is the set of Ricoh watches. Ricoh watches made of white metal is this set. So definitely some of the Ricoh watches are made of white metal. So statement inference 2 is correct. Inference 3, none of Ricoh watches are of white metal. This is wrong because it negates the statement 2 which we have already determined as correct. Statement 4, Some of Ricoh watches of white metal are sold in that shop. In this set, this particular set is that part of Ricoh watches which are made of white metal and which are sold in that shop. So inference 4 is also correct. So our answer should be 2 and 4, which is given in option B. So the answer will be 2 and 4 inferences only, that is option B.